Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Box Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we are doing an in the post, and that is in the post number 59. Today we have two. This is just general maintenance stuff. I bought two bags of rubber bands. One will go into my immediate collection so I can use them, and one will be my spares, which will go into my spares bag later on. It's my spares box a little bit later. Right, so we have a couple of cards. We have a Pride and we have a Paddington at the Palace. Gold rim cards. I've almost got 3 sets complete, four sets complete of these golden cards, golden edge cards. If people want swaps and what have you, please let me know and we'll try and sort something out. The first coin we have, this is one from Jersey. It's a Millennium coin that's dated 1999. It's a Jersey coin, Guernsey coin, sorry. It is issued for the Millennium at the back end of 1999. Lovely coin. There is another version of this where it is just a circle without the gold part in the centre, which is called the collar. I don't have one of those as yet, and there is a gold insert to go into that collar as well. I don't know whether it depicts exactly the same thing as this one, but we'll talk about that when I did the research. I have another bag of 3 silver threepenny bits. One is Victorian and the other 2 I believe might well be Georgian, but we'll see. We'll talk about that later. Those are silver threepenny 3p bits. I then have some extras that I've just bought in for friends and spares and such like. These are 2 snowmen from 2023, and I have an extra T-Rex coin here. They may go as presents, they may go in as extras to my own collection. I haven't decided fully yet. Here we have 2 German 1 Pfennig coins, 1800s. Again, I'll do a review of those later on. I did a silver version of the 1967 commemorative set. Someone pointed out to me that I didn't have the $1 silver, which I don't. I didn't know the $1 one would be issued, so I'm on the lookout for that. But the other ones in the set that I was missing was this 1 cent one, which is the dove, I believe, turtle dove. There's also issued a $1 banknote, which was issued for the centenary. And it's got UN dollar, $1. $1, and it's has both French and British and English writing on it. So those, I'll be doing a review of those to add to the silver one I did. I'm just waiting to find a silver dollar now so I can complete the whole set, and I'll do a review on the parts that I hadn't got originally. I have a letter from Westminster talking about the Great British Wildlife coins. Get rid of the old bill. And it confirms that this set that I've just got is a Heathland set of coins. You've got everything ranging from a hobby, which is a bird of prey. You've got butterflies, insects, mammals, and another bird. So I'll be doing a review of this set of 6 coins in the very near future. I believe there is at least one more set to come that I've been told of when I phoned up and inquired about that one. So there we go. We got a British Wildlife Series set. We have some centenary coins, coin and banknote from Canada. We have some spare 50p's that I've added to my collection, which were 50p's that I've already got, but I've got to be either spares or they're going to be swaps. We have a Guernsey Millennium coin. We have 2 one-pfennig coins from Germany, which are early to mid 1800s. We have some silver threepenny pieces there to add to my collection, and we have 2 gold cards, which will help me complete my, I think it's my third and fourth set maybe, of those particular coinage, particular trading cards. It's a short video this week because it's just after Christmas. I have done 3, this will be the third one I've done, Christmas New Year one. I've done one, I believe I've already shown on the first week. I've got one for the second week, and I've got this one. So there you go, that's this particular one, ending the first week in January. I've still got the annual set to come in, and also I dare say we'll have a couple more stuff, including Strike Your Own. The new Strike Your Own I've got coming in as well, which is the £1 honeybees. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, could you please give me a thumbs up. I'm also looking to increase my subscriber level, so if you've viewed this video and others and you believe I deserve it and you've not yet done so, could you please think about subscribing. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you who are buying, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you for staying to the end, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.